Baby, they chop my money, they go. No odogwu man you marry. Rudeboy, aka the courageous billionaire. Hello. Poor man, a joka billionaire, soccer billionaire, OAG cash, chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai, oji the cash. All of my country people now remember who echo this anthem. Now this girl right there, Ivy Ifeoma. Now she don't marry the billionaire man. So Rudeboy don't buy car for his beautiful wife Ifeoma. He tell am say, my baby, as you carry my pikin, make you take this car as push gift, take born my pikin, jeje, make nothing happen to you and our baby. But I know say women too like gifts, as that car don dey for im mind now, be her mind. When the time reach for her to push the baby, she go remember say, I get car, oh, make nothing happen to me and my baby, oh. Una know the gist. No be smart in my people. I'm so happy for her. Dey easy. It's safe to say that she made the right choice. Another win again after Regina Daniel. The two girls really made the right choice. They don't hear wetin anybody talk. They just open tea to all these blah, 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 they happen online. They married the woman of their dreams for themselves and for the sake of their children. So another thing to remind you that make you no listen to wetin anybody dey yap. If you see man wey you like, whether old or young, and you like am well and the person get ife for hand, make you grab him. Cause if you listen to wetin anybody talk, na you go suffer am last. As I see the gist now, I say make I share to Miami ball lovers. I know say una like gist like me. Okay, now stay safe out there. Still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.